Sydney.
What were you saying? And now we're laughing.
Go get it, Jasper. Go get it, Jasper.
No, that's Jasper. See, now throw it back to him.
Jasper, what are you going to do about that?
Go get it.
Come get the
What
balls.
about this?
Go get it.
Come get the balls.
Jasper, go get it.
There it is. It's a good alternative.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good job.
Jasper. Quick. Here, throw it to me. I'll throw it back. Good job. Good throw. Here, you want to try and catch this?
Yeah, she's saying yuck, I think.
Yuck?
Yuck.